Hi guys and welcome. If you're looking for build a stunning landing page for your business purposes, definitely you need to use the platforms to build that fast, easy and without an extra effort, because probably you don't want to learn the coding, you don't want to learn the web design and so other knowledges and skills that you probably may have to build your own landing page. There are tons of options to make that happen faster and easier than you can imagine. That's why our team decided to share with you this video. I want to show you a small step-by-step tutorial of how to build your own landing page. Before I've started to show you all the things that I want to share with you information that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link and get access to platform that will build in landing page on with a big discount from our team to our friends and subscribers. So I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible and with maximum value for you. So jump in, and in the end of this video you will definitely get an idea of how to build your own landing page fast and easy. Let's jump to the dashboard of this platform. Okay, that's how it looks. When you're gonna be in, you need to press create a new landing page and you'll see the list of already pre-built templates that you can use for any of your business purposes, and you can sort them by conversion rate, most popular or newest. There are a list of page types, there are a list of industries and style even, and the color even. It really doesn't matter what to build. I'm gonna start building just any template to show you the way of how it's happening. First you need to give your page a name, and after that you jump into the editor, and that's where the magic begins. So you have undo, redo buttons, preview mode, and all the pages that you can build on this platform are mobile responsive, mobile friendly, so you can get those pages with ease from any type of device. You have layout, sections, widgets, styles, and settings. In layout, you see all the sections that are on your page. In the sections, you can add a section already pre-built from the list, and there are tons of them and are very useful. Or you can add a blank page, a blank section, and you can add it to this blue boxes, to this blue spots, just to show you how it's easy. In the widgets, you have text, and image, video, button, form, line, space, and actually any landing page build with couple elements. Those are text, image, video, button, form, line, and space. Actually, those 8, it's all that you're gonna use if you don't want to build something complicated. And all of them are drag and drop. For example, I want the video to be here. I'm just dragging and dropping it right straight away. Text here, button here, image here. Okay, that's definitely easiest way to build up your page. And you see those blue lines, blue vertical lines, and you can move things in the order that you want to reshape all the things that you want. But how to edit the block itself? You see the first block is big, the second block is small, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Styles, what are those? Font styles, you can change the headline font and text font instantly for entire page, just with one click, and that can be very handy and convenient if you have like 5 or 6 sections, and in each section you have headlines and you have the text, so you can apply all the fonts for entire page and not changing it straight from here. You have a page background, as in this case. You see, this is a page background. This is not a background of a section, and all the elements like hovering over the parallax picture, you have this parallax effect, the picture stays there and elements are hovering around, like very beautiful. This is very interesting feature, and I like to use it because it looks modern, it looks very efficient and minimalistic. So you can change the page background, and that's what we're gonna do right now. You can change an image straight from here. You can use images that you uploaded previously. You can buy premium images that are available on this platform. It's like about $8 per picture, and if you don't have your own content for your business, maybe you're just starting and you didn't made pictures and videos for your brand that you're just starting, you can buy them from the stock, or you can upload it from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, the picture is there, and you see it looks pretty nice, it looks pretty fantastic, and we have the color overlay. This is very useful feature. I want to show it to you. It's some kind of filter. Yeah, you see this sharp and cool picture, but probably you can apply some color to that. I want the gray color, and I'm changing the opacity, and you see the effect. Yeah, and that's pretty cool. And this is the effect for entire page. So how to find this? I want to change, for example, the background of this section. I don't want this picture here. We go into layout. This is the hero section. Here it is. You can rename this section, delete, duplicate, make it visible or invisible, and when you press on this small arrow button, you see the column and column 2. This is column 2, this is column 1, and you press in this gear button and you see the color of this section. So you can change it with just a click. I want to add this color here, and it's pretty invisible right now. Let it be black. Let's add a color. Let it be black, but a little bit transparent. Okay, that looks great. As for me, I believe this is cool. All those elements that you see, you can add it. For example, the text. I told you the text, video, images, and interactive elements. So text, just double click it, highlight it all. You can change the size of it. You can change the font, for example, and you can change the type. It's headline 1. It can be jumbo, like big headline 1. And this is also important to search engine machines. Like search engine will understand that this is a headline, not the normal text. Yeah. I'm not gonna change the text because it's pretty catchy for this template, and it's pre-built. Of course, if you have your own business and you know your business better than any person in the world, so you can create your own text. I'm just showing you the way of how to act with all those things. Definitely the most important part of this video and the most important part of your landing page that you can create is the buttons, because the buttons is the way how your visitors interact with your landing page. And the main purpose of any landing page or a website, big one, is to get contact information from your visitor for exchange, in exchange for some value that you're bringing. Yeah, thinking of selling? Let us asset your home's value to help you decide in how's the time to move, or some else catchy text, and get my home value now. Yeah, that's important. That's up to time, and get my home value now, and the visitor will click this button. What's gonna happen when somebody will click the button? You need to edit the click event for all the buttons that you have in your landing page, and you have a list of options. Open a pop-up, in most cases open a calendar pop-up, jump to page section if you have like read more, yeah, and you have about section, the page will scroll automatically to the section that you will choose here. Link to landing page, like to external landing page, or external URL, like if you have one more site that stays separately from this one, you can link it right here. But in the most cases, it's the pop-up, and let's edit the pop-up. All the things with the style happening with this 3 small dots button: edit section settings, add section buffer below, duplicate, copy. The same thing. Here you see the street address and email. When you press on edit integrations, you jump into edit your form, integrations, fields and actions. What are those? Lead notifications, that's the way how you're gonna get notifications about new customers, about new visitors that press the button, fulfill the form. You can add an external service of email marketing that helping you to grow your email list, like ConvertKit, MailChimp, GetResponse. All those are very powerful tools to make your business much more bigger. And if you don't know about them, you definitely need to find out more information about those. Zapier, also very powerful tool, and you can integrate literally everything with the Zapier. You can get your inbox notifications to your Gmail, for example, or to Google Sheets to analyze all the things. So just consider this information. You can integrate your email marketing provider straight to your landing page, and this is absolutely fantastic and literally magic. Fields, here you can edit the fields, like street address. I don't want the street address, I want the first name. Here, Don, first name, email, and street address. We're gonna delete the street address. You see, email is locked because it's very important to get from the client. First name will be the first in the list, email, and maybe you need the phone number, just for example, yeah? Or you don't need it, you can delete it straight from here. And actions, what's gonna be when somebody will fulfill this form? Default lead pages, thank you page, like thank you that left your contact information. Our manager will contact you as soon as possible, yeah? Landing page, you can build like extra landing page with thank you, with all your brand colors, with all your branding, and with your custom text. External URL, if you like making some cross sales or up sales, that can be good. Add a lead magnet, this is very interesting feature if you changing if the value that you bring into the market is some PDF, checklist, guide, or some kind of that file, you can upload this file here and like enter your email to get your checklist, and when people will fulfill these forms and press the button, it will be automatically uploaded to and sent to their emails, and that's pretty cool. All right. Settings, I didn't say about the settings. SEO, search engine optimization, definitely you need your website to be visible to search engine machines, because a lot of people searching information via Google or Yahoo or some other search engines, and you definitely need to apply all the SEO, page title, page description, page keywords. So check this please before you go live. Social, if you want to share your link to some Facebook or Pinterest, you need to upload your picture and make all these things proper before you'll share your link, because you'll have such image and you don't want such image in your social media. And analytics, of course, Google Analytics tracking ID, you can apply it here. You can paste the Facebook pixel code here, and your page will be visible, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So I didn't show you one more thing. For example, we have background of the page, but I want to apply the background of this section itself. so I can apply color, and you see it's different and it's half transparent, and this is also very cool. You can change all these things. You can change the minimum height to make your section as big as you want. Let it be automatic, and so on. And you can play around with all these tools, you can play around with all these features like centuries, yeah, but it's pretty fast, and it's pretty easy to build your own landing page in the order that you want, and in the like under 20 minutes, under 30 minutes, you can build your own landing page. So when you thinking that this is complicated and difficult and you will not handle that, that's not true. You will handle it for sure. And if you want to try to do that right now, remember that we'll have the link in the description panel of this video. And if you want to get a discount for this platform that we're building on every our projects, jump into the description panel, find that link, use it, be our guest. And I wish you good luck. I hope this all makes sense. I hope you will be more familiar with email marketing, with internet marketing in general, and you will generate more great incomes to your business. So I wish you good luck. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I appreciate, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.